Hello, my beautiful food lovers. Welcome to Luscious Khabay, your cozy corner for easy, mouth-watering recipes crafted with love, a sprinkle of joy, and everyday ingredients. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home chef, we're here to make cooking fun, simple, and absolutely delicious. So, tie up your hair, put on that apron, and let's whip up some magic together. Let's get cooking, and let's make every bite unforgettable. Add bulgur. Soak, bulgur. Diced onions. Cut lemon. Cut fresh parsley. Cut green onions. Cut fresh mint. Diced tomatoes. Add fresh parsley and fresh mint. Add diced onions. Add diced tomatoes. Add green onions. Add salt to taste. Add black pepper powder. Drain and add bulgur. Add olive oil. Add lemon juice. Mix well and serve. Enjoy this delicious salad as an appetizer, or serve as part of mezze, or serve as side with other entrees. Don't forget to hit subscribe or follow button so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Show the love by sharing these recipes with friends and family, because good food is meant to be enjoyed together. Also, do like and share your thoughts by commenting.